Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we are going to see the performance of the stock positional calls which I give on Sunday. So the calls which you are able to see on the screen are the calls which were given on Sunday for the current week. Current week was 7 to 11th June, and the calls which we can see here, these calls, these calls as SPTA, super passive trading strategy. These calls are given to the paid clients on Sunday, and the design of these calls is like a person who is not able to do the intraday trading should trade these calls, and one stock option call is given with 5 targets, so that the trader will enter into these calls on Monday and he will be able to take the position up to Friday, and where he will make a big profit. This is something like only one trade in a week, only one trade or two trades in a week to make a big profit, to avoid the daily trading. And these calls enable the client to make big profit by just doing one or two trades in a week. So first of all, I'll show you the calls which were given for this week. You can see the calls of Nifty and Bank Nifty. These calls are weekly options, and the next expiry 24th June are the same Nifty Bank Nifty options for monthly expiry. And this time there was a change in the calls, like I had given only the calls which were in track list. Here track means the stock which is, or the calls which are marked as tracked, means these calls are likely to make a big move in the current week. Here you can read track is equal to the stocks which may give a rally in the current week, coming week. So in auto, M&M was there, Maruti was there. In banking, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank was there. Financial services and Indiabulls Housing Finance was there. Infra, Adani Ports, Infi, Wipro, Hindalco, VDL and Auropharma. Very limited calls, like 10 to 11 calls only. And how they have performed, we are going to see. I have already updated on my Telegram channel. Telegram channel is Sunil Pawar, the best option analyst is the name of the channel. Sunil Pawar, best option analyst is the name of the channel. There are already 4,286 subscribers are there. And if you want to search this channel, then you need to type Sunil Pawar Option King. Sunil Pawar Option King you need to type to search this channel. If you type Sunil Pawar Option King, then you will get this channel and you can subscribe. So here, this is 7th June. These calls were given on 6th June, Sunday. 7th June was Monday, and I have updated this performance at 11 o'clock. So we are going to see the performance one by one. Here all these calls were given, and the traders are also given the videos how to trade these calls. The traders are given, the clients are given the videos also as how to trade these calls, and whichever call which is crossing, call option or put option which is crossing the entry price, the trader will take the position there first. So the first call on Monday to get activated was Adani Ports. The first call this Monday, only three calls crossed the entry price. Number one was Adani Ports call, then Wipro call, and then HDFC Bank put. These three calls were there which crossed the entry price first on Monday. And on Monday only three calls crossed the entry price, Adani Ports call, Wipro call, and HDFC Bank put. So let us see the performance. So only 3 calls activated on Monday. This was Adani Ports call, which activated, call 840 activated at 39.90. Entry price was 40 almost. And if you see this chart, it was at that price for almost 1 hour. Almost 1 hour, Adani Ports was trading at the entry price. Almost 1 hour it was trading at entry price, and then 39.90 was the entry price, and suddenly it rocked and it went up very fast, and it has hit 70.40 there. So it has hit 79 that day, but that high was 70. So it has given profit of how much? 76,000. If you see, this was the first call that activated on Monday. It activated like it was standing on the entry price for 1 hour. For 1 hour it was standing on the entry price, and then it rocked. It has hit 70.40. It is written here, but that Monday high is 79 high it has shown, and that way it has given 80,000 profit. 80,000 profit. That was the only call that has hit the targets on Monday. Only 3 calls activated: Adani Ports call, Wipro call, and HDFC Bank put. Adani Ports call 840 hit almost 3 to 4 targets on Monday, and 2 lots profit was 80, almost 80,000. It has given high of 79, and it has in the chart we can see 70. So only 12 stock options were given, and only 2 activated, but later on, this was at 11, later on HDFC put also activated. And this is the trade note that I had shared. Adani Ports call 840. This was one lot that was carried, one lot booked on target, other lot carry for 5 targets. So this was the profit at that point. One lot already booked, so total profit is 70,000, which went up to 80,000. 2 lots profit was almost 80,000 as per day high on Monday. Then here it is written only 2 calls crossed the entry price, but actually the calls were 3. Then next day, Tuesday, Wipro call, which activated on Monday, has hit the targets on Tuesday, and along with Wipro, Infi also hit the targets. And how much profit they have given, let us see. So here Wipro and Infi both given targets on Tuesday. So how much profit they have given, let us check that. Wipro 2 lots profit was 8,800, and Infi 2 lots profit was 14,000. So these 2 calls along with, and this HDFC Bank put, it is written here, entry on 7th June, and it has given almost 10,000, it has given 20,000 profit. 2 lot profit was 20,000. HDFC Bank put has given 20,000 profit. So these were the calls which activated on Monday and Tuesday, and as per rule, the trader has to trade only on the calls which activated on Monday and Tuesday. So we'll see next calls. Then again Hindalco also crossed Tuesday. Hindalco also crossed the entry price and hit second target, and profit was 33,411. So Hindalco has also given a big profit. And meantime you are able to see the intraday performance of Nifty Bank Nifty calls. Here in this channel every day intraday performance and all the calls performance is updated. So you can join this channel, you can search Sunil Power Option King and you can join this channel and you will find intraday and positional both call performance updated here regularly. And this is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank also given a big profit. ICICI Bank put, ICICI Bank put has also, SDFC Bank put has also given 20,000 profit. ICICI Bank put has also given almost 19,000 profit. This was the demo call that was given intraday calls, and you will be able to see the intraday performance here. So friends, this was the performance of the call options, stock options which activated on Monday and Tuesday. So this was the performance. So what about other calls? M&M it did not activate. Maruti activated, given small profit later on. I am talking about the weak performance. This is the only stock option, IndusInd Bank, that has activated, call option activated and it has hit the stop loss. IndusInd Bank call option activated and it has hit the stop loss. Indiabull Housing Finance. Now we'll see Indiabull Housing Finance. I have already told you the call option, the stock options which activated on Monday and Tuesday. Now I am showing you, I am discussing with you the remaining stock options. What was the performance there? Like for example, Adani Ports, it has given almost 4 targets. 79 was the day high. All 4 targets on Monday. All 4 targets almost on Monday. So it activated on Monday, given 4 targets and almost given 80,000 profit. And like other calls which did not activate on Monday and Tuesday, now we are discussing those calls like Indiabull Housing call 265. You can see here Monday, you can see here Tuesday. What was the entry price? 21.40. And incidentally the stop loss was again 0. Because these are software generated calls, so stop loss was almost 0, target was almost double. So how much profit it has given? It did not activate on Monday, it did not activated on Tuesday, it did not activate on Wednesday, it activated on Thursday. It activated on Thursday, 10th June. Thursday it activated, and the day it activated, it has hit 34. It has hit 34. What was the target? 43. It did not hit that target. It hit 34. But when it was 34, that time the profit was 80,000. 2 lots profit was 80,000. 80,600 profit it has shown. Later on it came down and it closed, weekly close is 25. Entry was 21.40, 25, so it has closed in profit, and meantime it has shown profit of 80,000. Now we are discussing all those stock options which did not activated on Monday and Tuesday. Adani Ports we have already discussed. Infy Wipro we have already discussed. Infy Wipro activated on Monday, Infy activated on Tuesday, both given targets on Tuesday. Hindalco we have already discussed. VADL did not activate Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday also. Auropharma, what happened? Auropharma put activated. And it has hit the stop loss. Auropharma put activated and it has hit the stop loss. But later on in the week, Auropharma call option activated. Put option hit the stop loss. Auropharma put option hit the stop loss. Then Call option activated. Call option activated at 36.83. You can see here it activated on, not on Monday, not on Tuesday, it activated on Wednesday. Wednesday it activated. 36.83 was the entry price. At what it has given? 62.60. 62.60 it has given. So it means it has given profit of 2 lot profit was 33,000. 33,000 profit Aura Pharma call has given, and 62, 63 means it has given almost 3 targets. So put has given 1 stop loss. Put has given 1 stop loss, and call has given 3 targets. Call has given 3 targets means the stop loss was recovered on target 1 itself, and then it has given a profit of target 2 and 3. So Aura Pharma call has given 33,000 profit. So this was the performance of stock options for the week. Now quickly we'll see the performance of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty and Bank Nifty again this week also. Initially call activated, it has hit the stop loss. Put activated, it has hit the target. So loss was recovered. Bank Nifty call activated, it has hit the stop loss. Put activated, and it has given a big target, 500 points it has given. It has recovered the loss, and it has given a small profit also. So we'll see that. So this is Bank Nifty put 35,300 activated on, not on Monday, not on Tuesday, it activated on Wednesday, and it has given high of 838. 838. What was the entry price? Entry price was 366.75. So it has not hit second target, but it has given a good decent profit. So whatever loss was recovered, whatever loss was made in call option was recovered in put option in Bank Nifty, and it has given decent profit also. Nifty put again, it has hit 194.95. So it has hit the target 1. So Nifty call hit the stop loss, but Nifty put hit the target 1. So loss was recovered in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is the performance of current week, and next week calls will be updated tomorrow, Sunday. So whoever wants to join these services, he can contact me on my contact number, which you will get in the description also. So you can join the services today or tomorrow, and from next week again you can trade the similar stock options. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and do share all these channels and videos with all of your friends, so that they can take the benefit of these calls and these services, because these are the only services where trader takes trade on Monday, and by Tuesday or Wednesday only he makes a big profit, like 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh is the profit which we are able to see in Adani Ports, in Wipro, in Infi, in SDFC Bank put, in ICICI Bank put, Hindalco put. So whichever calls activated on Monday and Tuesday, they have given profit in the range of 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh. I am considering 2 lots each stock. So these are the fantastic service for the people who are not able to do the intraday trading. So friends, do share all these channels and videos with all of your friends, so that everybody takes benefit, and whoever wants to join the services can contact me. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.